What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Spang's World. Today, we're going to put together our new jig welding tables. Got one already together. That's what this thing's sitting on already. We're going to open this one up and show you what's inside. There it is. I'll rip this thing out. Got some oil on it. Holy crap. There's the top. It's a 2 foot by 3 foot. Has a bunch of 5/8 holes in it. I'm not sure the total count on there. They're all spaced out about 2 inches on there. Pull this off. And here's what's in the box. We got 4 C clamps. Looks like they're just made out of like a 1/4 inch steel. Something be kind of useful. Got the adjustable legs here, adjustable base bottoms. Here's the directions, the only paper you get with this. Got your legs, shipping hammer, nuts and bolts. Looks like the brush didn't make it. I should complain about that one. Here's your welding gloves that come with it. Look like a potato sack. Your potato sack welding gloves look like an elementary school art project. Look at those fine details. But not even the same color. Well, at least they're left and right, at least. Putting the table together, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is put the legs on, all the supports around it, and then the adjustable feet. I was really trying to get some of the Hobart Freight welding tables. Couldn't find any at the local ones here, and they're not on sale, or they're not for sale yet online. I think mid-March here in a couple weeks they'll be available online. So I found this. It was on sale for $118 on Amazon. Normally it's like $160-ish. Not sure if it would be worth it at that price, but if you're looking for a deal and you can find it at $120, and you're just looking to add onto your tabletop or something, it could be worth it. Just for the tabletop, that is. But this is what comes in here. This is what comes in it. Get a better view outside the box. You got your C clamps, which aren't really going to help you any because it does have you have to clamp it down. You can't go past that really, unless you're going upside down. Your crappy potato sack welding gloves, you're not going to use those. Your chipping hammer and your brush, you'll probably use those some, depending on what projects you're doing. Then these are basically all 3 different here. Like your Hobart Freight one has actual like machined out pieces and stuff that'll drop in the holes. These are all like weld-on pieces to hold your piping and stuff, so you have to weld these to your table, then put your piece of tubing on there or piping. Then these also, a lot thicker with the other ones and stuff, so at $160, that tooling's not really worth it. But if you can find it for the $120, just for a tabletop extension or something, I think it'd be worth it. I plan on doing a weld table build with these. I'm gonna get like probably 2 more. Hopefully get the Hobart Freight ones here, just because I want the tooling that comes with it. It's gonna cost you about $75-ish to get tooling like the Hobart Freight one comes with off of Amazon. So you need the correct tooling, or you need some good tooling, I guess, for what we're gonna do. Hey, look, it's a dog. What are you doing, puppy? One of the things I like about this table, they welded this angle iron all the way around, and that's what the legs bolt to, versus some of the other tables and stuff. They bolt through the table into this. It does seem pretty strong and stuff. Probably when I make my own table, I'm just gonna get some 1-inch box tubing, go around similar, but it's gonna expand the length of a couple of these. So this is my first look at this table. Overall, the table itself is pretty good and stuff, so I think, yeah, if you're just able to snag it at that $120 price point, it could help you out. Alright, this was just a quick first look on this welding table. We plan on doing a bigger welding table build with these. Look forward to that here in the future, here hopefully soon. If this video is helpful, hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already. Leave a comment down below on what you want to see in the big welding table or what you think about this one. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.